I handed my entire holiday to an AI. 5 days, $800, and I planned nothing myself. It saved me about 10 hours of planning, and it made one mistake that could have wrecked the whole trip. Here's the number nobody tells you. 90% of AI travel itineraries contain at least one real error. So this is the full test: what worked, what broke, and the 3-minute checklist that catches the errors. The rules. 1 AI assistant plans everything. Flights, beds, food every day. I only verify and book. Budget. $800 all in. 5 days, 1 bag, a walkable European city break. 0 research from me. First prompt. Plan 5 days in Lisbon under $800. Walkable, great food, no tourist traps. 30 seconds later. A complete day-by-day plan. Neighborhoods, timings, costs, even a rainy day backup. Honestly, impressive. But impressive is not the same as true. Remember that 90% error rate. The catching starts now. Tool note: assistants with live web access do far better on prices and hours. Offline ones guess more. Flights first. It found a return pair for $210. Real flights, real airline. Checked out. Rule 1 appeared immediately. Recheck every fare yourself. AI quotes can be weeks old. Mine was $10 off. The stay, a guest house in Alfama at $55 a night. It existed, well-reviewed, 2 minutes from the tram. Running total, $485 for flights and 4 nights. Under budget, hours saved, 0 stress. It even warned me Alfama books out on weekends. Details like that build trust. Sometimes, false trust. Because next comes the itinerary, where AI planning is genuinely magical and quietly full of traps. Day 1. Castle at opening time, viewpoint lunch, tile museum afternoon, a live photo show at night. Perfectly paced. Day 2 routed me along the coast by train for €4.40, with a full beach afternoon. The food list was the star, 6 local spots, each with 1 dish to order and its price. And the hidden gems were real, a tiny tile painting workshop no top 10 list ever mentions. This is what AI does brilliantly: structure, pacing, local logic. The skeleton of a great trip. Then came day 3, and with it the mistake I promised you. Lunch was planned at a famous little noodle shop. Cozy photos, glowing description, exact address. One problem. It closed. Years ago. Testers keep hitting this exact failure. One tool sent people to a shop closed since 2019. That's a wasted hour on a real trip. Funny at lunchtime. Not funny if it's your airport transfer. It also invented an opening time. The Tile Museum shuts on Mondays. My plan had me there Monday morning. None of this is rare. 1/3 of travelers say AI tools have fed them false travel information. So here is the system that catches everything in about 3 minutes flat. Rule 1. Anything with money, flights, hotels, tickets, verify on the official site before you pay. Rule 2. Opening hours and whether a place still exists. Check its own page or the map, always. Rule 3. Make the AI site. Say, give me a source for each recommendation. Watch half of them change. Rule 4. Lock the skeleton, stay loose on details. Days and neighborhoods hold. Restaurants get rechecked that morning. My verification took 20 minutes. It caught the noodle ghost, the Monday museum, and 1 dead tram line. 20 minutes to fix a 10-hour planning job. That is the trade. It's an outrageous bargain. Final bill, $762 for all 5 days. $38 under budget. Total planning time on my side, under 1 hour, verification included. A trip like this normally eats 10. Would it all have worked unchecked? No. 2 real failures were sitting inside that beautiful plan. Verdict: AI is the best travel intern ever hired. Brilliant, fast, tireless, and occasionally confidently wrong. 8 out of 10 as a planner. 10 out of 10 with a human doing 3 minutes of checking. The recipe: real budget in the first prompt. Live web assistant. Demand sources. Verify money and hours. My exact starter prompt is in the description. Free, no catch. One honest note: prices move fast. Whatever an AI quotes today is a lead, not a guarantee. So, can AI plan your entire holiday? Yes, and it should. Just never let it book unverified. You keep the fun part, choosing. It does the boring part, structure. The checklist does the safety part. If this saved you a planning weekend, subscribing is free, and it genuinely helps. Next week, the free AI stack that replaces $2,400 a year of software. Real replacements, real math. Bring your subscription list. Some of them are not surviving that video. See you there.